Hello everyone. I'm so excited to be here to show you my field and forest journal. I am finishing the fall collab with DearJulieJulie and Cara Creations here on YouTube, and I want to give you this hashtag one more time, J&C Fall 22. And this is the day when everyone will finish and post their projects on that hashtag, and you can see what everyone has done. I am really happy with this journal. It is 8 3/4 by 6 inches across. It has this, my usual button and bead closure. It has one signature and 84 pages. Yeah, and you've watched me stuff this, and let me just show you the cover again. I did this mixed media paint on the cereal box, which is one of my favorite ways, you've heard me say before, to make a journal cover, because it swells around all the pretty things inside and just molds itself, and it's just so fun to hold. So let's go inside and see what's up. I'm not going to do a lot of explaining because you've watched me make most of this, but I will just explain some of the things I've done since the last week. Just found some vintage ephemera, some antique ledger. It's like from about 1926. And then I made this little altered guest check. And throughout the book, I've come back and put these pretty autumn leaf stamps on all of the kind of the blank pages that are splattered. These are just a couple of little Tim Holtz tickets. Some vintage note paper. This is that flip out. Some stamping on this tag. These are vintage pieces. November 23rd, 1938. It's a desk calendar. This is an antique calendar that hung on the wall. It's about 1912, I think, is the year. This is that piece of vintage postal card. And just another little journal paper I made for that pocket. Every day is an adventure. This is a fun little piece. This is Cara's, but this is an antique glassine bag from that bunch of stamp collection that I got from my neighbor. And I've just put this tiny little photo from an early photo album. This is a little cigarette card about whip grafting trees. And just another little journaling paper in this little envelope. Has this beautiful yellow patina on it. Yeah. Vintage Rolodex card. I love the way that page looks. Vintage postcard. This is one of Cara's ladies. And this is from Economy Radio Service. It's a radio and television repair shop. So this is just a tag from a TV repair, I guess. Vintage guest check. I love these fabric ruffles. And here's what I did with the very last of my pieces that I had left over. That one, just a background paper, one of Julie's. And I just ripped it and made this little torn paper edge on that flip out. So I think I used up everything. Some embossed music paper and splatters there. Here's this floating pocket. And I just dyed a little piece of paper to go in there. I remember these beautiful autumn pinks in the leaves, just magentas and dark red, and when we lived in Ohio, beautiful autumn leaves. We have beautiful yellow cottonwoods that bloom, or that are here in the fall. We don't have a lot of, we have more evergreen trees here. That's it. That's my pretty field and forest journal. I'm going to put it up on Etsy, and I hope someone loves her as much as I do. Thanks so much for spending time with me over these last 6 weeks as we've done this journal. Don't forget to check the hashtag for the others who are also finishing up today, whatever projects they've done, and there have been some really fun projects. Thanks for your time, and watch for the listing on Etsy. We'll see you again.